We're out here at the Peekaboo Trailhead. It seems to be a pretty popular place. It's a little slot canyon in Kane County, Utah, just north of Kanab. It takes a high clearance four-wheel drive vehicle to get out there, so I think we've got that covered. But there's a whole lot of side-by-sides here, and hopefully it's not too crowded. Let's get to it.
Pistachio, and he bears a heavy load. He goes where he wants to go. That man is pistachio. Look at that stash. Wow. That man is pistachio. He bears a heavy load. He goes where he wants to go. That man is pistachioed. That man is pistachioed. And he bears a heavy load. He goes where he wants to go. That man is pistachioed.
Well, we've made it here to the canyon. Up here behind us, we'll go and explore it a little bit. Found a few Jeep and friends along the way. Help them air down and make it here safely without getting stuck. And off we go and explore. What do you think so far?
It's awesome. So cool.
Cool, isn't it?
It'll be pretty.
Do it too, Luke.
I can't.
You can.
You can't reach it?
No, I can't. Yeah, you can't get any higher. Yeah, woo! There we go. I am stuck to the wall. do I walk? This is how you do it. Yeah. Now and down.
Cool or not cool?
Cool. Better than cool. Yeah, awesome. Better than that. Sticky man. Whatever it is.
Obviously, in slot canyons, you have to be very careful. They can be dangerous if the weather conditions aren't right. They fill up quick with water, and you for sure wouldn't want to be caught in here during a flash flood. We couldn't see a cloud in the sky, so we feel pretty good. Plus, the forecast up north stream, or north of here, or upstream from here, looks pretty clear too, so we're not too concerned today. But if you venture into a slot canyon, always be sure to check out the local forecast and the forecast up to 50, 100 miles away upstream. Make sure there's not going to be any downpours up in that area.
Wow, you need to be careful around here. Luke is attempting it now. Oh, wow! Bats, I'm right here.
Come on and get me.
Come and get me if you can. Little furry, whatever you're calling me, my gosh.
Winged rodent.
Winged rodent, yeah.
Okay. Alright, that was Peekaboo Canyon, also known as Red Canyon, depending on which map you look at. Hope you enjoyed the adventure, and as always, get out and enjoy the land of the free.